Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Jake, Silo Hill Customs. I'm glad you showed up today because we got a new project we're working on, the Shop Bronco. New kit that we're going to start selling. So let's go check it out. As you all know, once we get a new product in, we always like to put it on our Shop Bronco first, test it out, make sure it's a product we want to sell, and I think this is going to be pretty sweet. So what we're working on is MB Quart's just released a new sound system that's come out. We've been waiting for the Vibe Audio one, and that's taken forever. So we decided to swap it up and go the MB Quart's. We got our master mechanic over here, Spencer, working on the old Bronco. But what I wanted to show you was this thing. This kit comes with the subwoofer. It is a subwoofer is actually sold separately, but it's a full plug and play sound system. Replaces all the speakers in the vehicle, and then the second part of the kit is adding a subwoofer on the back. All pre-powered, or all powered, all pre-tuned. The back has a 400 watt amp with it. The front has two 400 watt amps with it. But what it comes with is obviously new 6.5 inch tower speakers. You've got speakers in the bottom kick pan, the front kick panels, and then it replaces the tweeters in the front with new mid drivers and tweeters on the dash. So it's gonna be pretty sweet. We'll see how this sucker turns out. And if you need it installed in your Bronco, come see us. Jake, Silo Hill Customs.
Baby, can't you see I'm calling? A guy like you should better warn.
Sorry, just jamming out with my new sound system. We just got done putting the MB Quart sound system in. We'll listen to a little Britney Spears, don't worry about it. But let me show you what this kit comes with. So it's a full pre-tuned plug and play kit. I say plug and play, it's, you know, pretty easy, but come see us, we'll install it for you. But what it comes with, new drivers up top, new tweeters up top, 6.5 inch speakers down here in the kick panel. And then it's also got 6.5 inch rear speakers in the back that replaces the pods in the back with those little puny little 4 inches. But the best part, that bad boy. 12 inch, 400 watt subwoofer in the back. The system itself runs on two 400 watt amps for the speakers, 400 watt amp for the subwoofer. And this is the MB Quart sound system. Come see us, we can install it in your Bronco too. I'm gonna turn the volume up a little bit so you can actually hear what it sounds like.